Welcome. On today's video, I would be showing you how to make a 3D intro for your channel. But before we get started, here's the intro we would be making today. To get started, go to Google and type in www.renderforest.com. When the page opens up, click on the menu bar, then on Create Video. Go to all categories, and then choose Intros and Logos. Pick YouTube Intros. Under the YouTube Intros category, you would find a lot of 3D intros you can choose from. Let's check out some of the intros before moving on to how to edit them for your channel. Use Now, moving on to how you can edit this intros for your channel. After finding the intro you would like to use, click on the Create Now button at the bottom of the intro. When the page opens up, click on the space for logo and then upload logo from your gallery. Size down your logo to fit the box perfectly. Then save. Next is to add your text. The website also has series of fonts you can choose from. However, this is only available to premium users. You can also pick whatever look you prefer out of the 4 provided by the website. Next is music. You can either add music from your phone's album or use the music provided by the website. Now, move on to the last stage, which is to preview your intro and to then download it. Check to see if there's a need for any changes before adding to your system. Now, here is the 3D logo we have just created. However, you would notice that the website pastes watermarks on videos created by non-premium users. You can remove this watermark by following these steps. Download the Watermark Manager app from Google Play Store. Click on Remove Watermark. When the video appears, click on this crop tool and then cut out the part with the watermark. Here's our final result.